Hello everyone and welcome back to the Marketing Empress. If you're new here, hi, my name is Simratni and I create content on all things marketing. Today I'm back with another special video that will talk about 10 things that every marketing student must do in order to stand out. So if you are interested in knowing about the 10 things that will make you stand apart in comparison to your peers and your classmates, then please keep on watching. And before we get into the video, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel by hitting the bell notification icon so that you get updated each time I upload something on the channel. So without further ado, let's get started. More often than not, this thought always crosses your mind that whether you're born with something or is someone out there born with something that they excel at. And as someone who's always been very average with academics, I always thought that the person sitting next to me is possibly scoring more in her exams because, well, she's born intelligent, she knows it all, and I have no comparison or I cannot compete with her. But soon I realized that I was actually kidding myself, and when I always mentioned that you're born with it, I was actually just looking out for an excuse to accept my failure because I did not go out there, I did not do the extra things that person possibly did to get where he or she is. Now, when I am referring to this in life in general, it also stands true for marketing. Think about any great marketers out there, be it David Ogilvy, be it Seth Godin, Jeff Bezos, anyone. Were they actually born with this marketing talent that they have today? Definitely not. They learned it on the way to success. And same is something that we all need to aspire to be. We need to be on the lookout for all those learnings that we can incorporate on a daily basis, just so that tomorrow you come out to become a great marketer. So if you have already started your journey in marketing and you want to pursue your bachelor's in marketing or your master's in marketing, you have already taken step 1 towards greatness. Step 1, of course, is not enough. What we need to do is that you see so many people around you also pursuing a course in bachelor's in marketing, an MBA in marketing, and other courses in marketing. You need to be different. You need to be something which is going to make the marketing job person choose you over someone else. So what is it that you need to do in order to stand out with respect to other people who are pursuing possibly the same degrees in marketing and get the job that everyone else aspires to get? It's important to note that you may not become a great marketer overnight. However, taking the first step is job half done. So with this, I present to you my top 10 things that you need to do in order to become someone who is outstanding when it comes to the field of marketing, someone who has an upper edge as compared to the peers and your classmates. So let's delve into the 10 things that you must do in order to stand out as a marketing student. Know the answer to why marketing. Now, I have personally interviewed a lot of candidates for my own organization, the Marketing Empress. And whenever I ask this question on why do you want to do marketing, the most obvious answer, the most frequent answer that I come across is that, ma'am, after engineering, I wanted to do something really very creative. And whenever I hear this answer, I am completely put off. Same as the case with other interviewers who are possibly interviewing you for a marketing job. Now, any good marketer will know that marketing is not just creativity. In fact, it's a very minor part of creativity. Now, if you were interviewing for an advertising role, possibly this answer would have helped you sail through. But when it comes to marketing, there are so many other things that you need to be aware of. So, whenever you are asked this question on why marketing, you need to know that marketing entails a lot more things besides creativity. You need to dig in deeper to understand what marketing entails and then try to understand and analyze what do you have to offer to the interviewer. Understand the difference between marketing and sales and be open to both profiles. Now, I have seen so many MBA students reluctant to join a sales profile after they complete their education. What they have in their mind is that I need a hardcore marketing job. Now, I cannot say that I'm saying this out of my personal experience because I never got into sales. I instead reached marketing after working for a few years in advertising. But the normal way of getting a marketing job is always through sales. Now, there's a reason behind this, and the reason is that sales, a job in sales, actually is acting like a building block. Okay, so it's step one to reach or understand marketing in general. So if you have some sales experience, it's always going to be an add-on and will help you understand the marketing jargons or the marketing logic in the long run. So be open to a sales profile because that is going to help you build a career in marketing. Also, it's very important to know the difference between marketing and sales. Now, if that is something that you don't have a good idea about, then I have an article written for you on the Marketing M Plus blog, and I'll put a link to that in the description box below and you guys can check it out. Familiarize yourself with beginner marketing concepts. Now, I cannot stress on this enough. The whole point of standing out in comparison to your peers is to know something more than what they do. Start with learning beginner marketing concepts. Now, when I say beginner marketing concepts, I am not referring to the concepts that are taught to you in your textbooks. That is something everyone in your classroom is going to read and learn about. But what is it that you know differently? Is there a concept that you know about which is not in your syllabus? And most importantly, can you explain that topic in practical terms? See, understand when it comes to a marketing interview, the interviewer who is hiring you for possibly your dream marketing job is not interested in textbookish definitions of marketing concepts. What they want to know is, do you understand the concept to the extent that you can actually explain it to someone else or incorporate it on the marketing field? Now that is going to make you stand apart. Keep yourself updated with marketing news. Marketing is a field that is constantly evolving, and hence it's very important to understand what is the new part getting introduced in the market, what is it that brands are trying to communicate. Read up on websites like Brand Equity, AFAX, etc. At this point, I will not recommend you guys to read a newspaper because, to be honest, it can be time consuming. And we are only interested in marketing news. So it's important to get your focus narrowed down and you're only looking out for marketing news. Now, if you want to let go of reading website news or something like that, then I have something which will make things really easy for you. On the Marketing Empress, we have a newsletter sent out on every Monday, which takes into account the top marketing news. So all that you need to do is subscribe to the newsletter. I will have the link to it down in the description box. You can subscribe to it and the top 10 or top 5 marketing news will be delivered to your inbox every Monday. Understand how consumers behave. Now this one personally is my favorite. A lot of times we fail to realize how important consumer behavior is to marketing. It's very important to understand how consumers behave. And if you guys have a basic understanding of why a person or a consumer chooses brand X over brand Y and have your own analysis on it, trust me, it's going to make you stand apart. Now, what it helps in is that you get a basic idea about how consumers behave, and then when you come up with a marketing strategy in the future, it's going to help you link both. I would definitely urge you guys to go out there in the market, modern trade, or a local kirana store as well, and understand how consumers buy. Why do they prefer a particular brand over another one? And this learning is bound to help you in the long run. I have done that myself and I can definitely vouch for it. Familiarize yourself with data. Now, give me a high five if you joined advertising or marketing because you thought you'll get rid of numbers. I did it, definitely did it, and I'm guilty. But as a matter of fact, I realized very soon that you cannot escape numbers in marketing. Now, you may not be delving in numbers day in and day out, but you need to analyze data when it comes to marketing. When you have a marketing effort put in, so say for example, you have a marketing campaign released, you need to analyze the data to get better understanding on what worked in your favor and what did not. So when you get that understanding, it's all about analyzing the data. So if today you aren't best friends with Excel, I think it's about time you start. Get digitized. Now I have a separate video on top 10 reasons as to why you need to start learning digital marketing, and I'll link it somewhere up there so that you guys can have a look at that video as well. But for the sake of this video, let me just briefly tell you that digital marketing is the future. And today, sadly, a lot of Indian colleges do not include the subject of digital marketing in their marketing syllabus. And that is a sad fact, but is also acting as an opportunity for you to learn digital marketing basics and then be in a position to stand out when compared to your classmates. In fact, as a starter, you can also check out the digital marketing playlist on the Marketing Empress, which will give you basic understandings of major marketing concepts and help you clear your basics. Improve on your communication skills. Now, when I started my career in advertising, I was an introvert. It would have been a big task for me to even go and approach a senior person to just ask him about his time availability. And trust me, I soon realized that if I need to stay in this field, I cannot be an introvert. Your communication skills need to be top notch. And while this might be a very basic or a very generalized statement that I'm making, it's very important for you guys to start doing it right away. Because if you do not start right now, you might be in a situation where possibly 2 years down the line you realize that my communication is not apt for marketing. Now, marketing is a field where communication plays a major role. If you can communicate with your peers or with your teammates, only then can you communicate better with your consumers. So ensure that you're working on your communication skills. Read up on marketing books or case studies. Now, to be honest, I know this is an uphill task and possibly too much to ask for. But as a matter of fact, marketing books give you a lot of learning that is not covered in your day-to-day classes in college or textbooks taught in college. Marketing books give you a better perspective, a better understanding of consumer behavior, and helps you have a better understanding of marketing in general. But I do understand if reading bulky books is too much to ask for. Then on the Marketing Empress, I have a separate playlist on the marketing book summaries. What I do with this is that I read a marketing book and I also provide summaries with brand examples that help you in your learning. Please go ahead and check that playlist out. I will also link it somewhere here so that you get a better understanding of marketing books and you do not need to put in a lot of time to read a book. You can just get the gist of it in, say, possibly 10 to 15 minutes. And lastly, believe in yourself. And I think out of the 10 points that I've mentioned here, this one definitely is the most important. Believe in yourself. Believe that you were born to be a marketer and you need to strive to become one. So it's all about believing in yourself and then making the efforts to make that a reality. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and are motivated enough to stand out as compared to your peers in the field of marketing. If this video has helped you in any way, I would love to learn or hear about it. Please leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. And like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel by hitting the bell notification icon so that the next time I upload any content on the Marketing Empress, you get notified. So until next time, bye bye.